Cuz I'm glad that you're staying here with me. But if you're gonna stay here, you need to find a way to help pay rent. Don't worry yourself, goodie. You know, say me got you. If you say so, I'm about to go to work. By the way, the landlord's coming by to fix something in the bedroom. Make sure you let him in. Alright. Little more me good up cousin. Go and go make your money. Wait there. Rent, landlord, bedroom.
Landlord.
Walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl you not try hard. Them girl they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram and you're pretty in a real life.
Iverlyn, I'm sorry if I sounded mean earlier, but it's just that. Oh my god! Awa, is it letting me in? So me letting me in. And goodie, you don't have to worry about rent no more. But our people, man. Exactly.
You know I never tried online dating before. What is the first for everything? And you don't mind that I'm married?
No, the better. Now tell me something. You speak so proper. Where you from?
I'm from Jamaica, just like you, but I'm well traveled. Just the other day, I went to Spain.
Really? You know some of our auntie will live over there?
No, not Spain as in Spanish town, Jamaica. Spain as in Europe.
Oh, you mean big foreign? That means you have money.
Well, I am well endowed, both financially and physically.
Sir, what that mean?
That means me have enough money and my body big.
Whoa! Ray! Lad!
Waiter, I'll have a cheese having butter people man. Exactly.
Oh, what a feeling. Watch me ride on the rhythm. Me like that feeling will come over me. Hold me so tight with your security. You give me everything you want, me sugar daddy. Independent and in the body. Lord God, oh, you feel so good. My love for you, we have just rock the boat. Me can't hold it. Baby, me can't hold it. Me can't hold it, me a ball out.
Honey, I'm home.
Oh no, I'm a wife.
Cool no, hombre. Me never tell you what to do already.
But
Just stick to the plan and start going like you are idiot.
Oh my gosh, honey, how could you? Get me a maid that didn't even tell me.
babe, you know I like to surprise you.
And she looks so nice. She look like she don't mess with people, man.
Exactly. Landlord, were you there? Lani, landlord. Oh, sorry. I look for somebody. But wait, I jump, ya go jump.
Yes, life has no more meaning.
What you mean life has no more meaning? What are you?
It's my wife.
You have a wife? I mean, what happened to her?
She cheated on me. Now I feel like my soul is just gone.
What you mean she cheat pan you? You know your unique and acting song. If you cheat pan me, hey, me I can cheat pan you who? Unfair game. Play by two.
So, what are you getting at?
Instead of you a kill yourself, just come murder this.
We're here at local hero Iverlyn Gooden, who just saved a man from committing suicide. Tell us, how do you do it?
Me just make him jump this instead.
But a people man.
Exactly. Hello? Iverlyn, I'm bringing my boyfriend Brian home tonight so you can meet him. Really? We get to meet the infamous Brian? Yes, Iverlyn, and please be good. Goody, me born good. You know what I mean. Brian, this is my cousin, Iverlyn.
Balance pan it, balance pan it. Go down then you come up with a dance pan it. You bump pan it, balance pan it. Whoa, whoa.
Iverlyn, awa. You not seen nobody do yoga before. I haven't seen you do yoga before. So be careful before you get stuck. Me get stuck? Look pon Brian. Like the Yankee then will say, he needs some milk. Brian!
It was nice to meet you, Iverlyn.
Brian look goody, but I'm a cousin man. Exactly. Hello? Brian? Oh, me you like? And you want to take me shopping? Yeah, yo. Cash up me the money. I'm gonna buy the clothes. I'm gonna muggle it for you later. Let's get one hotel room. Brian, are you ready?
Out of my fault, make your man not mind you. Talk to me nice, call me mind them. Any man where you there with have to spin by you. Talk to me nice, call me mind them. Man have to beg my bone on cause him know where for do. Talk to me nice, call me mind them. Man have to hold you on nobody cause my bond with the glue. Talk to me nice, call.
Wow, baby, look good. Now, take it off.
You think I want you? Now that I know who you really are.
Jenna, where's Iverlyn?
Same place you left her. On the phone. Exactly. We can't believe say hot girl like me I take bus. But sometimes you have to be fool for catch wise. Or you have to be wise for catch fool. Anyway, me think one wise fool I come here now.
Hello, beautiful. Do you need a ride?
No, the question is, do you need a ride?
Excuse me?
Of course, hot girl like me want come in a limo.
I am Prince Mika from Atume.
Oh, that means you have money.
Yes, and I'm looking for a beautiful Jamaican princess to share my wealth with.
Oh, that means you have nobody in your life.
Yes, I am very single.
Oh, what you say? One stop, driver. Let me off.
What is the problem?
Who book you? You know see the name of the show?
Wait, so that mean you only mess with people, man?
Exact. Go there, go there, go there.
Wow, this what we do now, Ron? Sucking toes on a boat? Wow, ain't you supposed to be at work? How dumb are you? Wow.
Who she?
What the hell? What the hell is going on here? Where all these cameras come from?
Hi, you're on the hit show
Busted.
where we catch people in the act of committing adultery.
Of course it's adultery. We not all adults. Kakafat.
Bah, bitch, you on your own.
Wow, you ain't getting away that easy, Ron. How dumb are you?
So, how do you feel playing a part in breaking them up?
But wait there, you married?
Very, but what that have to do with anything?
You will see.
Now I see why you get the people them man.
Exact. Welcome back to the 2018 Métis Awards. I'm your host, DJ Cleavage, we the best. And for those asking me if I got a boo job, yes, I got a boo job, and I'm about to get another one. Now here are your nominees for the 2018 Métis of the Year.
Iverlyn Gooden.
Money, I'm a body big.
Whoa!
Keisha Kiki Titus.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Nadine Madin. Mary Smith. But a people man.
And the winner is Iverlyn Pudding. Them like me. The people them man really like me. And remember, on a tech we tech people man. Exactly. Oh, forget about up top boss. You are the downtown king.
I told you I was a master in Congo lingus.
Congolinus, whatever you want to call it. You're bad.
Evelyn.
I hate when she call me that.
Oh, there you are. Have you seen my husband?
Oh, he went to go get something to eat. Me soon come. I mean, he should return shortly.
Okay, since he's not here, I will be in the back interviewing the new pool boy. Ta-ta! Wow, is this your pole? It's very big.
Yes, adapt me use figure deep. Oi, hello sir. Please step away from my wife.
You can't deal with people them man, sir.
And why not?
'Cause I'm a husband.
What?
Exactly.